Greetings, this is Mr. Caslin. We're going to do a little more SAT math prep today. Most of these questions that I do come from SAT question of the day that can be found on College Board's website, or there are smartphone apps. Search for QOTD question of the day. Nice way to practice your SAT prep on a daily basis. Okay, so in this problem, let's read it. It costs D dollars to ship a package that weighs P pounds if and only if P is greater than or equal to 6 and P is less than or equal to 10. If Alan's package weighs P pounds and costs D dollars to ship, which of the following must be true? If you'd like to try this problem without looking at my solution first, go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, now what you're doing is it's asking you which of the following is true, so you're looking at the answers. I think it actually had an answer E, and I didn't print it out, but I think one of these others is really the answer, so that's not a problem. These are all absolute value problems. Okay, so notice they give us a constraint. P is greater than or equal to 6, and it's less than or equal to 10. Well, those look a lot like each of the answers. So what we're trying to do is convert an absolute value into this constraint. For example, let's look at A. If you have the absolute value of the expression P minus 6 is less than or equal to 2. Okay, if we were setting this up as an absolute value problem and solving for P, we would remove the absolute values, and you'd remember that there is a positive solution and a negative solution, and you would flip the symbol. I'm going to write it as a compound inequality where P minus 6 is greater than or equal to negative 2. Okay, if we were solving this for P, what we would need to do is add 6 to all three parts. Okay, you know how an equation, you've been in algebra, you always solve both. Whatever you do to one side of your equation, you have to do to the other. On a compound inequality, whatever you do to the middle, you have to do to the right-hand side and the left-hand side. So there's three pieces to this compound inequality. You have to do the same operation to all three pieces. Okay, so those are inverses. You get P is less than or equal to 8, and it's greater than or equal to 4. Okay, that does not match our original constraint that we had, so A would not be one of the solutions to this problem. So you would do that for each of these absolute values. Turns out that, let's look at C. Get the absolute value of P minus 8 is less than or equal to 2. All right, let's remove the absolute value bars. We know that P minus 8 is less than or equal to positive 2, and it's greater than or equal to negative 2. All right, let's get P by itself. Let's add 8 to all three pieces of our compound inequality. I'm still not a very good writer. I'm writing with a mouse. Someday I'll get a stylus and you'll see considerable improvement in my computer writing. Anyway, in this one we get P is less than or equal to 2 plus 8, which is 10. And P is greater than or equal to negative 2 plus 8, which is 6, which matches our original constraint. The answer to this problem is C. Which of the following must be true? Well, this option C is true because it matches the original constraint of the problem. Okay, hopefully you did okay. If not, if you need to watch the video more than once, rewind and go ahead and play. Until next time, have a good day.